Hello, today we will show you how to install Slack and how to log into your Decoder Technologies account. First, you will have to open the download Slack page. This can be done simply by a search engine. When you open this page, you will see multiple operating systems to choose from. I have a 64-bit Windows operating system, so I will be clicking on that. The website will now redirect you to another page, and the download will start automatically. If you scroll down, you will see options for downloading Slack on other OS and a re-download link in case your download did not start automatically. Now, if you will go to where the file has been downloaded and double-click on the Slack file, the application will be launched. Once the application has been launched, you will click on the Sign In to your workspace link. Now open your Gmail account. All the registered students have been sent a link to join our Slack workspace. If you click on the workspace URL, you will be redirected to the workspace page. Now you can sign in or continue through Google. It will open your workspace inside your browser. Go back to your Slack application and then launch the specific workspace that you want to be added to. Do not worry, since this is your first Slack workspace, there will be only one option on your page. Once you click launch, a pop-up will appear and your Slack application will be launched. As you can see, the Slack interface has multiple components. I am here in the ML batch of 3rd October, and the channels below me are the multiple chat rooms that you have with your classmates and your trainers to communicate. The first one is the announcements and updates group. No messaging is allowed in this group. You will get to see all the updates related to your assignments and projects here. This one is the assignment submission group. You will be expected to submit your assignments and work in this group. This is the general group. This is the most important group, and you will be using this group for general discussions with your fellow batchmates. This is the general queries room. This is the group that you will be using for general queries. The response time for the instructors will be Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. This is the GitHub group. All the activities related to GitHub will occur inside this group. This is the grades and result group. All your results and grades will be posted here by your trainers. This is the LinkedIn branding group. This group is for all the activities related to LinkedIn branding. You are expected to join all the channels available. As you can see, the join channel button present on every page. If the process of installation takes more or less time, do not worry. It is all dependent upon the speed of your processor and the speed of your internet. The time may vary. To install the Slack application onto your phone, all you have to do is go to the Play Store and type in Slack. The first option that you will get will be the Slack application. Click on install and wait. Once it has been installed, you can launch the application. Here first you will see the opening page and then you will see two methods of signing in. There's the email me a magic link and I'll sign in manually. You can sign in manually, but it is much easier to use the magic link. If you want to sign in manually, you'll have to go click on the I'll sign in manually option, and you will have to add your workspace email account. But a much easier way to do it is through the magic link. If you click on the magic link, then it will take you to another place where you can put in your email ID. All the workspaces that your email ID is registered to will automatically show up on your page. Or if you have signed into Google on your phone, then the Google sign in pop-up will show up and you can choose whichever account you have used to sign into your Slack.